If you're looking to make your Thanksgiving a little healthier without compromising on flavor, we've got you covered with these 5 delicious side dishes that will make you feel just as great as they taste. First up, a lighter twist on a classic, mac and cheese. Start by blending together cottage cheese and almond milk, and then add onion and garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. Blend again and set that aside. In a large bowl, combine your cooked pasta, cottage cheese mixture, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and nutritional yeast. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it! Creamy, delicious mac and cheese with only 283 calories per serving. Next, a lighter alternative to mashed potatoes that's just as satisfying and only 170 calories per serving. To a blender, add steamed cauliflower, steamed garlic cloves, and blend. Then add low-fat cream cheese, low-fat Greek yogurt, and salt and pepper to taste. Blend again until smooth before transferring to a serving bowl. Now you've got a creamy garlic cauliflower mash that's low in calories and just as satisfying as the classic. This green bean almondine is the perfect swap for green bean casserole. Blanch half a pound of trimmed green beans for 3 to 4 minutes, drain and set that aside. To a skillet over medium heat, add 1 minced garlic clove, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add your blanched green beans and then the zest and juice of half a lemon. Salt and pepper to taste, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Moving on to this herb and veggie packed stuffing that's full of flavor and better for you. Start by cooking onions, carrots, celery, and garlic in a skillet over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add your toasted bread cubes to the skillet along with vegetable broth, parsley, sage, and thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir well to combine, cover, and cook on low for 5 to 7 minutes. Lastly, we've got a higher protein sweet potato casserole that is perfect for your holiday table. Mash 1 cubed and boiled sweet potato in a bowl until smooth, then add Greek yogurt, cinnamon and nutmeg, almond milk, and salt and pepper to taste. We're also adding in some cooked and mashed chickpeas for some extra protein. Mix that well until combined and set aside. In a smaller bowl, combine rolled oats, chopped walnuts, almond butter, and cinnamon. Spread your sweet potato mixture evenly in a small greased baking dish, then top with oat and nut crumbles. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Let us know which dish you'll be making this year in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Noom for more easy recipes.